Alright, first time pulling him out of the box. So they're all stuck together like this. I'm not sure how I'm gonna go about this. Looks like there's a little insert right here. Let's see what we're pulling out. Oh, we got the 8-iron right here. Oh my god. First impressions of these. Sex. Absolute sex. Oh my god. See right here, we got the Titleist T200. Nice chrome finish there. Oh my god. Well, gang, might have spent too much time gawking at these this morning. Now I gotta go into work, but I mean, how can you not? Look at these things. Jeez Louise. But you can bet your buns I'll be giving y'all my first review later this afternoon when I take them to the range. Stay tuned.
2 days later.
Just loaded them up into the bag here and they look absolutely gorgeous. Look at that reflection. Oh my gosh. Just lovely. First club we're trying out, we got the 9-iron here. Ready to see how it goes. Gotta love that. Very first swing of the new iron, it's just completely topped. Oh my god. Second one though, absolutely magnificent. Oh my god, these feel so good. Look at that check. Just went 3 for 3 from about 150 yards up onto the green here. You probably can't see, but just got a terrific check on each one of those. I'm really enjoying the club so far. Yeah, overall gang, these are some killer irons, man. Oh my gosh. Just getting some awesome check on these up and around the greens while I was working on the practice holes. They just look sexy in the bag, man. Like just... I was afraid to ding them up low key, so it's been a couple days since that original unboxing, but geez Louise, really enjoy them so far.